And once again, sky has opened up. Just a little bit of rain. Check out the birds. You can see them way over there. They're all just standing there in the rain. Not even moving. Weird. But it's definitely filling up the pond. Yeah, this kind of rain, it don't take long for the ponds to fill up. It's a lot of water, man. Getting the porch all wet. The good thing about this wood is that it's all right. Not a problem. I don't see any blue sky, so it might rain for a while. It's a bummer because, you know, by the river, that's where they have all the food going off for the, you know, getting ready for the boat races. All the vendors would have been setting up by now. It's, yeah, it's like 2:30 or so. They're all over there cooking and stuff. Of course, it could be just raining here, not over there. I don't know. Either way, usually only rains for 15-20 minutes. I think it's slowing down. But yeah, man. Now it's coming down. All right. Back at you. Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? Uncle Craig here. And for those of you who've been watching, following up on my trap, I did this. I put a cross basically to keep that gate closed. But what I did was I really just threaded through from the side on that top opening. It's supposed to be open a little bit, but it's got a couple of, you know, feeders. I just figured I'd close that. And what I did on some of these other ones, I don't really want to open that again, but what? Whoa. Was really, again, I just threaded it through the side. I put it all the way up in there to replace some of the broken ones. Now normally they're replaced by going through this, but this wire, you know, is braided really hard, and you're not gonna, the way this is assembled, really, you can't really do that. These things, you know, this outer casing is weaved separately, and then the two round parts, the two inserts that come in together, those are separate also. So those are made, and then the other one's made, and then it's weaved together like that and wrapped around it and all that. So I can't really take the whole thing apart. It would serve no purpose. I might as well just make a new one. But in an effort to reduce the amount of fish that might try and get back out, or turtles or whatever, I just kind of inserted, you know, back through there, so that it and I left them hanging here. I figured there's no harm in that. And now I'm going to sit it down in the water again. The water level, I'll try and stick this camera in there. Look how green it is out there today, man. Beautiful. Anyway, it's going to be down in there. I already have that bamboo set up. Funny, I used to always wear my boots when I let me take this off. Wear my boots when I was coming in over here and going out. Now I don't. I'll just take the trap, push it down in there, in my bare feet. Whoa. Yeah, could be a little deeper. It looked like there was more water than there actually was, but it's probably enough. Let's take a look out here. It's probably enough to, you know, there's gonna be movement anytime there's water in there now. With the rainy season, everything started moving. If there was turtles that were hibernating and crabs that had burrowed in to survive the heat or the no rain, they come out now and they start to migrate. But here, take a look at the view, man. I don't know if you can see, but I put that one buffalo head on the shop over there. I also put a couple of L brackets on the outside shelf, kind of a shelf to where I can lay down my fishing poles and the net and that, just to hold that up in there. Still gonna do stuff over there, but yeah, man, that's looking kind of cool over there on the pond side. We'll get this side going here too from the crab house. I really need to get that waterfall done, but I saw some other waterfalls, and this one was, you know, I figured, oh, it's big enough, but then when I saw these videos and stuff, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna make a bigger waterfall. It'd be better for the pond anyway. Man, my shoulder hurts. Well, just a matter of time now. It's what time is it? Oh, I can't even look at my watch. That's how my arm hurts. Dang, it's only 9 o'clock. So maybe by the end of today, yeah, by the end of today I'll take a look. Although most of these turtles and crabs and that, they're I believe they're more like nocturnal, so they would tend to migrate during the evening. That way they don't get caught, you know. Birds, those big egrets and stuff like that, I believe they'll eat the crabs as well, so they don't want to get seen out there, you know. They get seen, they get eaten. Whoa there. Gotta wash that mud off my feet. Mud it is. I get in trouble, you know. My wife would be telling me, what are you doing bringing that mud in the house? I don't want to be cleaning the floors 10 times a day. Although, you know, it's just part of the deal, man. We clean floors because we're muddy. Oh, my shoulder, man. So, next step, what am I doing today? I'm gonna, what was that? Probably a piece of fruit. I always hear these bam, and I'm like, what is it? But it's usually a high-hanging fruit that fell down on top of the roof, or fell down to the ground, hit something over there, or just hit the ground and sounded loud. I gotta remind myself of that. It's not something that's breaking. But yeah, I gotta get this pump fixed up. So I might have to go buy that tank today. If I do that, I'll show you how to do it. I was thinking getting a green color tank so I could put it back here in these bushes, so it'd be a little, at least a little camouflage. You know, I like the camouflage things that are in that arena, so to speak. I got mud on my glasses. Anyway, let me get back at it, and I'll get back at you. Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? I just thought I would come out here to my bridge and set my camera down to record the sounds of my pond. Maybe a little background sound. I'll have to leave the camera out here for a minute while I do that. So I can see where I'm going. Whoa. Is that insane or what? If you're planning on visiting during the rainy season and you're sleeping in the shop house, yeah, you're gonna be lullabied to sleep with that sound. But hey man, that's nature, right? Like music to your ears. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Back at you. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's 10 o'clock at night. And I forgot, as usual, to check my trap. And I wanted to, and I know that I would probably wake up 5 times in the night thinking, oh. So, amongst the sounds of the evening, let me turn this up. Whoa, you hear that? Uh-oh. That actually, I thought it was a frog, but I think that is actually a gecko. Yesterday, I walked into the kitchen and this massive gecko, you know, on the toque, it was on the wall, and whoa, it's all wet. It poured rain. You probably saw in this video. And so the ground's all soft, and I'm probably gonna get nice and muddy and wet as I try to check this trap. Hopefully there's nothing in there that will attack me in the evening. Boom. I don't even know if you'll be able to see this. I needed one of them boom lights. I better put this down. Whoa. There's a massive spider web right in my way. It's like right in here. You can see him. It's covering from all the way over here to this tree and all the way over here to this plant. And my trap's down there. You know what? I'm gonna take the camera with me. But first, I'm gonna take another leaf here and say, hey, sorry, Charlie, about the spider. Well, that's a pretty strong one. It's all right, man. He'll make a new web in freaking 20 minutes. That's the thing too. I mean, you know them big old monitor lizards and stuff? if you got stuff caught in a trap, well, you know, that might be easy prey for the lizard, right? Don't see anything in there. I think that's, is there something in there? I think there's a turtle in there, man. What's that? That is a, well, that's a potato, I think. Oh. I'm gonna have to pull that up a little bit. I don't know, man. I think I see something else in there. No. What's that? I don't know. I'm gonna put it back. Oh! Oh! Oh, Jesus. There's something in my foot. Felt something biting me. Whew. Well, I don't think we caught anything. But that was a let's see if I can walk out of here. That was like a potato or something. Whoa! Look at that mud, man. All slipped. But yeah. Well, now I can sleep at night. Yeah. Gotta wash my feet off. Again. I don't know what happened to that. Must have come off. Alrighty. Well, that was it for checking the trap. There was nothing in there that I could really see. There's probably some snails, something like that. Alright, man. Well, again, thanks for watching. And keep watching. We'll get back at you with more exciting stuff from the banana.